So welcome back. In this lesson we are going to be learning how to draw a polygon. So to start, let's select a plane, and you can select any one. I'll select the right plane, click sketch and click your polygon. And the two things you need to keep in mind when you are drawing a polygon is the first one, which is asking you for the perimeter, which is the amount of size. And the second one is you need to pick whether you want your circle inscribed or semicircle. So let's do the inscribed one first with its perimeter. So we'll click our first point, drag it out, click, and as you can see, the circle is on the inside of the polygon. We click, drag out, click. Each side, the circle is on the inside. I click OK. Now let's select another to draw another polygon. This time we want to do 9-side polygon or 10, and we want it semicircled. So we'll click, drag out, and click. Now as you can see, the circle is on the outside. Let's do that again. 10 semicircled. We'll click, drag out, and click. The circle is on the outside. Thank you, and that's how you draw a polygon in Solidworks, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.